Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install Texture Pack in Minecraft 1.21.5. Let's get started. Texture Pack can completely change how Minecraft looks, whether you want a medieval style or modern theme or something more realistic. There are tons of options available. To get started, close Minecraft completely, then open any web browser and search for texture pack you want. If you don't have one in mind, a good site to browse is Modrinth. Once you're on the site, hover over Discover Content and click on Resource Packs. You can sort by download to find some of the most popular packs. Now click on a pack you like and check the gallery to preview how it looks. If you're happy with it, go to the versions, then tap and download the version made for Minecraft 1.21.5. If the pack is for an older version, it will usually still work, but some newer texture might be missing. Once the pack finishes downloading, open Minecraft and go to Options, then Resource Pack and click Open Pack Folder. Then drag the downloaded texture pack into the folder. The pack will appear in the list and move it to the active side and click Done. Minecraft will reload the texture, and once it's finished, your new texture pack will be applied. Enjoy your updated Minecraft look. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.